know this looks so insane right now, but it's gonna look so good after. This is your reminder to start decluttering your home. Today is Sunday and I actually hired a cleaning lady to do a deep clean for me tomorrow. So that's kind of also the motivation. And don't get me wrong, I used to do deep cleaning and all this cleaning, but to be real with you guys, I feel like I need to spend more of my time doing other things, and me asking for help and having somebody come in, I think is just the right thing that I have to do, and there's nothing wrong with that. So hopefully that helps anybody that might be struggling a little bit as well. And yeah, so let's just get started. No more talking. I'm so excited to do this because organizing really is something that I love to do. So let's get started. I think the best thing is going to be to start off small and then work my way up. So I really want to start with the bathroom. I was getting ready for the day and then I thought like instantly I want to start getting rid of like old makeup, maybe bottles of things that I just do not use. So I think that's gonna be the first thing. I'm just going through the entire bathroom, bring out a trash bag and just start tossing stuff. I'm gonna start in these drawers one by one. And I'm not even talking organization yet. I'm just gonna go through it and see like what I need, what I don't need, and then I'll kind of just like keep in mind what I have. Okay, see like some stuff I need out so I can see better. Like I want to start wearing these more. This is fine. This stuff I basically use all the time. Honestly, like a lot of these are so old. Like there's some stuff that I've just been holding on to for no reason, honestly. This thing always gets crazy. By the way, if you're interested in any like containers and storage and stuff, check out my Amazon favorites. That's where I keep all that stuff. I really need to wash my brushes. How does Vita Selena not have any expiration date? Questionable. Okay, so far this is all that I'm tossing. These drawers are still pretty messy, so I'm not going to show you, but I did get rid of a good amount of stuff, especially makeup. These are my little storage bins in here. Once again, if you guys are looking for anything like this, then check out my Amazon storefront, link in bio. This one broke off a little bit, but they are just like little bins like this, super handy. And then in here, I just keep a bunch of other like little things, and then I just want to have my little face masks like more accessible, and that way I easily see them so I can start using them more often. And yeah, so that's all organized right here. And then the last thing I really need to do is go through this little storage bin right here and go through basically, again, just things that might be expired, things that I just maybe didn't like or not really using. And then that should be it for the bathroom. I feel like I am okay with most of this stuff. Like there's still a good amount of stuff in here that I need to still try and is not expired. And I have a bin in my closet in the office of other skincare that I kind of have to like replenish in here. So I'll probably do that like at the very end. So I think once I go through like more skincare stuff, I'm gonna kind of like see if any of this stuff I could gift to some friends. Okay, we're all good with the bathroom. Next, I'm going to work on the office, which is gonna be crazy. But a lot of the stuff, I think I really want to move over to the storage unit because I feel like I have a lot of home decor. And yeah, part of the decluttering that I want to do is get rid of some home decor stuff. I think I need to go to Target to get a storage bin. So I'm actually gonna go to Target right now, get a storage bin. We'll be back to kind of separate things so that way it could be like trash, storage, and then donate, give to friends, give to mom, things like that. But okay, BRB. Okay, I'm back from Target and I picked up some storage containers and we are gonna get started with the office. It is so crazy in there. It's probably gonna be the most difficult. I don't know why I'm doing that one next, but whatever, we're gonna dive right into it. These are the bins that I got. I decided to also get this one because I thought I could probably really utilize this in the office closet. Either this is going to be used for PR stuff that I get, just like extra things that I'm not using at the moment, like skincare stuff, makeup, blah, 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 or like office stuff. I don't know, but this will be utilized in the closet. And then these are the bins that I got. I just got 2 of them. These are going to be used for me to take to storage. So like things not only from the office, but things in the home that I no longer need in here. Just things that I maybe don't want to get rid of, but want to keep in storage. So let's do it. Okay, so clearly I have a lot going on in here. But yeah, a lot of this I just have to go through and I'm just gonna get in the zone. So I have to go through this cabinet over here. It is insane in there. Kind of take a look at the shelves. If there's anything I want to get rid of, I just don't want to have too many things, you know? And I don't want to get rid of it. And low key, I have been dabbling, looking at other spaces. So, but anyways, let's do it. This whole thing is just gonna go to storage because I never even organized this. This LaCroix sent me for the holidays and it's so cute. I still have to put up all of my artwork that I got from Europe. Like, I had so much to do. I'm for sure gonna end up getting a lot of home decor stuff that just needs to be put away. And I'm gonna have to wrap it up later. This needs to go to storage. This needs to go to storage. Oh my gosh, I need to hang this up. I need to get a frame for this. I really do want to put this up. It's like really cool. I actually have 2 of these. While I was in Mexico City, I got my Mayan calendar. Uy, se me olvidó. I think it's a Mayan calendar. But how cool. I need to frame that one up too. I need to take these to the office or to the warehouse. Shameless plug, Classic Casita Plant Care products at classicasita.com. I need to put a picture on here. How cute is this little piñata that my manager got me? It had candy inside. My basket full of stickers and patches. Look at Benito. He's so cute. If you know, you know. Classic. Records that boys have given me. And I'll keep taking them. Don't tell my siblings I stole these. These used to be my dad's. Should I get rid of this? I kind of just want to put it in storage already. It's gonna be very blank. I did it. Uh-oh. That's not good. We'll cover that up later. Now time for the good stuff. When I tell you this is insane, but I'm so excited to go through it. Let's do it. Like, I already have my concha. Why do I have the box? Why do I have the box? I don't need the box. I don't need the box. Sorry. Okay. I don't need my iPhone box. Oh, I'm gifting this to my mom. Okay. We got lots of electronics in here. Oh, these are for whenever I have to gift. Coloring books. Travel. These. I just need to give these to my friend. I know this looks so insane right now, but it's gonna look so good after. I promise. I hope. Oh my gosh, I have so many of these things for traveling. Like, I literally have full-on outlets for traveling. Like, so many adapters. I don't even know what this is. It's not late, but the sun going down is stressing me out and I hate it. But we're making progress. The cabinet is good. Now it's the closet. So yeah, what I really need to do is go through my clothes, but I'm probably not gonna get through that today. I need to order a bigger size of this. Literally, as I'm doing this, I'm texting friends pictures of things to see if they want anything. So it's been good. I'm like setting stuff aside for them and everything. So we're good. It is 5:11. It's not bad. It's still pretty early and I need to get some work done. So I think we're pretty good. The office is pretty much done. I'm just like cleaning stuff up a little bit. But then once I'm done here, I'm gonna move over to the living room. I really want to do the kitchen, but you guys, the kitchen is gonna be like, I'm gonna need like stuff to like wrap like mugs and cups and things like that. Like, I have a bunch of cups that I don't use, but I don't want to get rid of, or like really cute things. I don't know. I need like craft paper and stuff, and that's all like in the storage and stuff. So I'm gonna do that another day, and I'm definitely gonna need another container. So I'm doing a great job. I'm very happy with the office and the bathroom. Those were like my top ones. I think the kitchen and the clothes are gonna just have to be later this week, and that's gonna be like the last of it. But let me finish up here and then we'll be off to the living room. And in the living room, it's pretty much just like the cabinet, really. So yeah, almost done. Has this been blurry the whole time? I swear. Sorry.
you.